Hey guys, how's it going? Brad Riley here. Welcome to another video. And in this one today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can land more clients using LinkedIn Jobs. Now, just before we jump into the video, I just want to let you know if you do have any questions whatsoever for me, if there's anything that I can help you with, I want you to comment it down below of this video. I get back to every single comment that I get on my videos myself, so if you have any questions, you want any help from me, make sure you use me, drop a comment down below. Again, if you do enjoy this video, a like would be really appreciated, and of course subscribe if you are new, and let's get into it. So obviously, first things first, create yourself a LinkedIn account if you don't have one. There's so many ways that you can get clients on LinkedIn, and this is only one of the methods. And you know, I'm going to do several more videos around LinkedIn because it is such a powerful platform. But today we're going to focus on the jobs section. So yeah, get yourself a LinkedIn account created if you haven't already, and then you go to the search bar and you can click the jobs button here, and it's going to bring up exactly like a recruitment site, a bunch of jobs, okay? And you can see here in the UK alone right now there is almost 2.2 million jobs in the UK, and the great thing about this method is you don't have to just focus on the country that you're based in. You know, you can look for jobs not just in the UK, but you can look for jobs worldwide as well, which is fantastic. But as you can see, there's so many potential leads on here that we can tap into. So to start with, obviously I'm in the social media marketing space, and I'm going to show you now you know, how you can find social media marketing clients. So if we go into the job section up here, what we want to go ahead and do, we can type in social media marketing. There we go. And obviously this is in the UK right now. If you wanted to do US, Europe, you know, France or something like that, you know, you can just change the search location. And you can see here 20,000 jobs have come up from businesses and companies, and they're looking to hire, most of them, in-house employees. Now, one thing I want to make clear, most of them are looking for in-house employees, but if you dive a little bit deeper, what are they really looking for? They're actually looking for somebody to help them with their social media management. They're looking for help with their social media marketing. So if we're able to approach them, we can just see if they're open to the idea of working with a freelancer or an agency like us instead of actually hiring in-house. You're going to get a lot of no's, and that's absolutely fine. You're going to get no's in any outreach method, but you are also going to get a lot of yeses. And the core thing about this outreach method is it's warm. With this, we know they're looking for help with social media management. We know the name of the company, and we can reach out to them. So in my opinion, this will still work a lot better than any kind of cold outreach method. So we can scroll down here, we can see all of the companies, and you know, we'll keep it real simple now. We have this company here called Bionic who are looking for a social media manager. So I'm going to click on that job, and obviously you can find out some more information about the company here. You can kind of see what they're looking for. So we know they're called Bionic. So if we go to Google here, and I've actually found their website in 2 seconds. I typed in Bionic London and the sites come up. And if you scroll down to the bottom here, normally you can find some type of contact us page, an email, phone number. Okay, boom, here we have it. Phone number, we have an email, all the links to social media. So we can also reach out to them, not just through LinkedIn, but we can also reach out to them through their actual personal emails and go into it that way, because it's really going to help you stand out. So let's take a little look here for a second in the About Us section. And I noticed this just a second ago, and I find it really interesting. They've got 450 employees, and they're a £40 million revenue business, which means they're a very big company, which the chances are for a social media management job, you know, as a client, they could probably afford a pretty decent retainer for you. So this could be a very high ticket client that's literally sitting right in front of you that is looking for help with social media management. It's real great. So what I recommend you do when you reach out to them is you do things a bit differently. Like, I wouldn't recommend you just hit them up and say, hey, I offer social media management services. Let's hop on a call and I'll share some ideas. Because they've got all these other applicants. You're not really enticing them enough. As it stands right now, they're looking for an in-house employee. So you have to kind of put a little bit on the table to help them consider it. So let's look at some of the benefits right now for them hiring us as a freelancer or an agency over a full-time employee. Well, first of all, with a full-time employee, a lot of the time they're going to come in with no experience or as a beginner, and they're going to need to be trained. Okay, so that's number one. Us, as agencies or freelancers, we're not going to need any training on whatsoever. So it's going to save them time and it's going to save them money. Number 2, the salary. It doesn't tell me the salary right here, but for a full-time social media management employee for a 40 million revenue pound business in London, I mean, you're talking 40 grand a year, potentially 35, 40, maybe 50k a year. So let's just play it let's play it safe and say it's £3,000 a month salary right now. Now for us, we could cut that in half. We could offer what they're looking for £1,500 a month, and that would still be a very substantial sized social media management client. So straight away, we can offer it 50% cheaper than it costs to hire in-house. Another benefit as well, as coming in as freelancers or agencies, they don't have to pay our pension. They don't have to cover anything like sick pay. Like, you know, it's not like if we fall sick, we're not coming into work. Like, no, that's not how it works. We're an agency. We're going to provide our service every single day to them. We're going to have a team that, you know, that's automates it, that makes sure things are taken care of. So they're not going to have to worry about those costs involved as well. And another real great thing to consider is we're not going to get holiday pay. We're going to be working 52 weeks a year for them. All right, which is another thing for them to consider. So when you weigh all of these things up, actually, not only is it cheaper for them, not only do they have to worry about all these other costs, not even do they have to worry about spending time to train, we can come in day one and most likely do a better job as well. So if you're reaching out to this business, let's use Bionic as an example. You can easily apply if you want to, or you can even alongside that go find the email, give them a call. And you want to position it as a question, okay? And the question is this: are you open to the idea of working with a freelancer or agency like myself? You know, I can be 50% cheaper than hiring in-house. You won't have to worry about any of the costs involved of hiring an employee, such as pensions, you know, tax, and you also, also I'm going to work 52 weeks a year for you. Is this something that you would be open to? If you have any previous results as well, you would attach them and say, you know, check out my previous results. I've got some really crazy results in the social media management space. Here they are. I'd love to hop on a call and share some ideas. So then you're saying, are you open to the idea? It's a question. Because we don't want to go in there and hard sell, because a lot of these people, they really will just be set on hiring in-house. And, you know, a lot of them will be open to that idea, especially if it's 50% cheaper. They don't need to train. You're going to get better results. It would be silly for them not to, especially when you consider, if you look at it from a deeper point of view, all they're really looking for is help with social media management. And they don't have to hire in-house for that. They might want to, but maybe they could be open to the idea. All right. But yeah, this is a really great method that I recommend you don't sleep on. The key for this, though, just to really drive it home, keep it simple. Just ask the question, are you open to the idea? Try and get them on a call and close yourself some more deals. And just a quick note here, actually, if you are going to be doing this every day, obviously this is sorted by most relevant. If you go to most recent here and apply that instead, what's obviously going to come up is the jobs that are posted every single day. So like if you come in every day, there's going to be like a new refresher of new jobs. I mean, look how many are added here. 12 minutes, 17, 18, 18 minutes. I mean, there's literally hundreds of jobs a day added in here. So just something to consider. If you're doing it every day, just change it to most recent as opposed to most relevant. Now, just on a final note here, if you are interested in having me personally mentor you every single day to build and grow your business, I want to invite you to check out the top link of the description. I recently released the Entrepreneur Accelerator mentorship group for only $30 per month. Okay, I mean, go ahead and check out the landing page. You're going to see all the crazy benefits you get. We're going to do events this year. You're going to get personal access to me, to actually get personal mentorship from me every single day. You're going to get access to my team. We get weekly live calls as a group. We also get weekly masterclass training sessions where I share some of my top secret outreach methods and secret strategies and systems that I have in my agency that I don't actually put out on my YouTube channel. And again, it's only $30 per month. And the reason I wanted to make it so cheap is because when I was first starting out, I couldn't always, necessarily afford a $1,000 course or $3,000 mentorship program. And, you know, not everybody can afford those kind of prices, but everybody can benefit from a mentor. So I want to help, and my goal is to help as many of you as possible to go on and build your own companies. And we've already had so many people, literally within their first week, who are going on to land clients and deals using the methods that I'm teaching inside of that. And yeah, you do get a bunch of other benefits as well, and it is only $30 a month. So check that out on the top link of the description. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section down below, but I would love to help you on a more personal level. Thanks again so much for watching this video. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.